All right, here is our last question. They want you to use mental math. Again, you can always use models if you need to subtract 10 from 635, 428, and 299. Then subtract 100 from each of those same numbers. Write each difference, and then again, you can always use the models if you need to, but try to use your mental math. So I'm going to write out those problems. We have 635, and they want us to take away 10 from that. Then they want us to do 428. Take away 10 from that. I'm going to finish writing these. All right, so what I did here is I just wrote these all out instead of you watching me write them out because it takes forever. So I subtracted 635 minus 10 and 635 minus 100. I did 428 minus 10 and 428 minus 100, and then 299 minus 10 and 299 minus 100. Here we have 635. Our hundreds place stays the same. 3 minus 1 is 2. And our ones place stays the same, 5. So 635 minus 10 is 625. 428 minus 10, our hundreds place stays the same. Our tens place goes down by 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1. And our ones place stays the same. So 428 minus 10 is 418. Here, 299 minus 10. Our hundreds place stays the same. That is a 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. And our ones place stays the same. So 299 minus 10 is 289. Now I'm going to come over and subtract my hundreds. So 635 minus 100, instead of looking at the tens place, we're just going to look at the hundreds place. 635 minus 100, 6 minus 1 is 5. Our tens place stays the same, that is a 3, and our ones place stays the same, that is a 5. So 635 minus 100 is 535. 428 minus 100, 4 minus 1 is 3, that's the only place that changes. The 2 stays the same, and the 1 stays the same. So 428 minus 100 is 328. Then we have 299 minus 100, our hundreds place is the only thing that changes. 2 minus 1 is 1. Our tens place stays the same, and our ones place stays the same. 299 minus 100 is 199.